Welcome to Marina's kitchen. Today I'm going to make some banana and blueberry muffins. It is something that the children can do during the holidays. I always find something easy for them to put together. I don't have a lot of mixing. This is just to stir everything in together. I know my great-grandson Sam, he loves cooking, and he loves to try out anything. And I think the children, it's good for them to do a bit of cooking while they're on holidays. This is so easy, and it's got lovely muffins, banana and blueberry muffins. Now when I have a lot of bananas that are going ripe, I just throw them in the deep freeze and then I can use them for cooking. I had 2 bananas there. I thawed them out and I just mashed them up. There's 2 bananas there mashed up. There's two cups of wholemeal self-raising flour here, and to that I'm going to add a teaspoon of bi-carb soda. Just mix that all in together. No beating, just mix it all together. And a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. Okay, just mix that all in with your wholemeal flour and put it all together. So easy, so quick. We just have to add all together. Now I've got an egg here, and to that egg I'm going to add half a cup of cold water. Okay, I'm just going to beat that up like that. Okay, now I've got here a tablespoon of honey, a cup of blueberries. You can either have fresh or frozen blueberries. I had frozen ones and I thawed them out. And there's 125 ml of vegetable oil. Just so put that all together, so quick. So what we're going to do, we're going to add some flour a bit at a time. Just put that all together like that. And I'm going to add some of the egg mixture. Just pour it all in. I may as well pour it all in. There's 1 egg with half a cup of water. And just keep on stirring that all together with that lovely banana. These are so beautiful. They keep well. Just keep on adding this self-raising, wholemeal self-raising flour. Just keep on adding it. And to that we're going to add our tablespoon of honey. A tablespoon of honey. That's lovely. And to that we're going to add 125 ml of vegetable oil. And the last thing at the end is the blueberries. Okay, just keep on adding your flour to that. We'll add some more, all the flour to that. So easy. That was quick, wasn't it? Just to put everything in together. The children can do this quite simply. No beating with the electric beaters. Look, and it comes a beautiful, beautiful muffins. Wholemeal flour, so good. And now I'm going to add my blueberries. That was so quick, wasn't it? Look, just put that all together. Lovely, lovely, lovely dough. The bananas, 1 egg, half a cup of water, and you've got the baking powder and the bi-carb soda. And now I'm going to add my blueberries. I've got a cup of blueberries there. Lovely. Just add them all in the end and just fold them all in there like that. Fold them all in. Beautiful. Just fold them all in there like that. Those blueberries are beautiful. You can either have fresh or frozen ones. Look, you've got to have the blueberries. You can have the other raspberries. You can have raspberries if you want. These blueberries are lovely. Just add them like that there. All you do, look, it's this beautiful soft mixture. They only go into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Put your oven on to 180 and look, that is lovely. If that wholemeal flour, just put it all together. That was quick, wasn't it? Very quick. The kids can do that, no trouble. That blueberries all together, okay? So what we're going to do now is just put them in the patty cakes. I've got 12 of them here. Just fill them up like that. Give it a nice spoonful. You want any extra, you can fill up another couple of extra if you've got some extra, if you don't want to make them too full. These are beautiful. But they're so healthy for you because too that they got that lovely wholemeal flour, and it's so lovely to have that banana and the blueberries. And it's so quick to make, wasn't it? All you have to do is get everything together. The kids can put these together so quickly, so easy. I've got here 12 in there, should be nice enough. Just fill them up nice and full. Lovely. They only take, as I said, 15 to 20 minutes. They don't take long to cook. Put your oven on for 180 and it's lovely. Look, we've got a dozen of these beautiful banana and blueberry muffins. Lovely. They're just nice. There's 12 of them, just nice. That didn't take long, did it? This is so simple and so quick. I just thought there was something for the kids to do during the holidays. They could put this together in no time on it, and so quick. And I think they are lovely too. They have got a lovely flavour through that banana and blueberry. Okay. I'll just wash my finger. Look. Then when they take them out the oven, just sprinkle them with some nice icing sugar on the top. There's my banana and blueberry muffins. Were so quick to make, so easy. The children can do them during the holidays and they're so lovely to eat. Just sprinkle them with a little bit of icing sugar when they come out and you've got these beautiful banana and blueberry muffins. As I said, when you have white bananas, just put them in the deep freeze and then you can thaw them out and then you can use them up for cooking anything. Okay, there's my banana and blueberry muffins. I hope you'll enjoy them. Thank you for watching my video, and let's hope the new year is good to everybody. Thank you for everything you've given me. Bye. Bye.